In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a budget manager in Google Sheets on desktop. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable sheet that tracks income, expenses, and your running balance, plus a simple visual that shows where your money goes. Start by opening Google Sheets in your desktop browser and create a blank spreadsheet. If you're prompted, sign into your account. Give the sheet a clear name so you can find it later. In row 1, add your headers: date, category, description, amount, and balance. Make the date column a date format so entries are consistent, and set amount and balance to currency. Widen the columns so everything is easy to read, and consider freezing the top row so your headers stay visible as your list grows. Now begin entering your transactions, one per row. Use clear categories like salary, rent, groceries, or utilities, and write a short description if it helps you remember the purchase. For the amount, keep a consistent system. A simple approach is to enter income as positive numbers and expenses as negative numbers. Consistency here makes your calculations much easier and reduces mistakes down the line. Next, calculate your totals. Use the sum function to get your total income and total expenses. If you're using positive numbers for income and negative for expenses, you can calculate total income with a sum of all positive amounts and total expenses with a sum of all negative amounts. One way to do this is with a SUMIF that adds values greater than 0 for income and values less than 0 for expenses. Or, if you keep separate sections for income and expenses, simply use sum over each range. Place these totals somewhere visible near the top or bottom of your sheet. Let's build the running balance. In the first balance cell next to your first transaction, set it equal to that row's amount. In the next row's balance, add the previous balance to the current row's amount. Copy that formula down the column. As you add new rows, the balance will update automatically and show your remaining funds after each transaction. Finally, add a chart to track your spending visually. Highlight the category and amount columns and insert a chart. A pie chart works well for a category breakdown, while a line chart using date and balance gives you a trend over time. Adjust the chart title and colors so it's easy to read at a glance. That's it. Save your sheet and keep adding transactions to stay on top of your budget.